I'll bet you're wondering, how do I install Zoom on my school-owned computer? Well, first of all, you just go to the Applications folder and go to the Managed Software Center. Image looks like this. Inside the Managed Software Center are applications that can be installed on your computer. If you scroll down, you'll find Zoom. Click on Install. What this will do is it will put Zoom into the items. It will download and it will manually install right from this point. You need to wait here to make sure it installs before you shut your computer. Notice that my updates have loaded. These are all the updates that are needed. I simply click Update All and it will update those applications without any need for Mr. McFeeter's help. Hope that helps.